Picture this. You're working on an important project, and suddenly, your computer freezes. Nothing works, and it feels like you're stuck in a digital nightmare. But don't despair. There's a simple solution to this problem: power cycling. Welcome to Tech Aura. So what exactly is power cycling, and why should it be your go-to troubleshooting technique? Power cycling, simply put, is the act of turning off your computer and then turning it back on. This seemingly simple procedure can do wonders in solving a range of issues, from frozen applications to an unresponsive system. It's akin to hitting the reset button, allowing your computer to start afresh, clearing out any glitches that may have been causing trouble. Power cycling is a quick and easy way to reset your system and solve most common computer issues. Now, let's dive into the steps of power cycling your computer. First, save any open work and close all applications. Next, shut down your computer using the operating system's interface. Hold the power button to physically turn off the computer. Then, unplug the power cord or adapter. Hold the power button for a few seconds to discharge residual power. Now, reconnect the power source. Finally, turn your computer back on. And there you have it. You've successfully power cycled your computer. Sometimes, power cycling might not go as smoothly as expected. Let's address some common issues and their solutions. If your power button is unresponsive, try a different method of shutting down through your operating system's interface. A stubborn power cord? Ensure it's securely plugged into both the outlet and your device. Loose connections can often be the culprit. Always double-check all cords and plugs. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the tech journey. With these tips, you'll be able to handle any hiccups during the power cycling process. Remember, power cycling is often the third step in troubleshooting computer issues. After giving the computer time and/or restarting, it can help resolve problems like an unresponsive system or frozen applications. However, it's not a cure-all. For more severe issues, professional assistance may be required. Power cycling is a powerful tool in your tech troubleshooting toolkit. So there you have it, folks. Power cycling is a simple yet powerful tool in your tech troubleshooting arsenal. Use it to bring your unresponsive computer back to life. It's a handy first step before seeking professional help. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and happy troubleshooting.